The Prophet ﷺ tells us that we should be in this world like a traveler. Kun fi dunya ka'annaka gharib. Be in this world like a traveler. Because this is a journey. And a very interesting journey. Therefore, we should live this life like travelers. A lot of times we don't ponder over that, and we don't understand the importance of this journey of life. But my brothers and sisters, it is. Think about the beginning of this journey. We traveled into this world through the womb or the wombs of our mothers. Isn't that so? So we came in this world, traveler, and then we will leave this world and go through the womb of the earth. A traveler, a journey. And very interesting, we came into this world as a traveler with nothing. And it's very important to understand that we will leave this world with nothing. That's how interesting this journey is. Yeah, it's a world of travelers. Very important to also understand about this journey of life. We make one entrance and we make one exit. Have you ever seen anyone come back? When you exit, you're gone. It's one way. When we exit, we're out. There's no coming back. So it's a strange journey, my brothers and sisters. Very strange journey. This journey of life has a lot of ups and downs. And all of us live this life. So you would understand what I'm reminding myself and you about. A lot of ups and downs. Think about it.